Hey everyone! Today we'll open HP's OMEN MAX 16. You can find all the test results, performance, thermals, display quality, and battery life on laptopmedia.com. The link is right below this video. Let's dive in. To remove the bottom cover, we undo 6 screws from the underside using a JIS number 1 screwdriver. The first 2 screws we're taking out are shorter than the rest. The third long screw remains attached to the panel. Do not attempt to remove it. We carefully pry the bottom cover off with a thin plastic tool. Here's that captive screw we mentioned earlier. The cooling setup on dual fans and large vapor chamber. However, the power delivery modules and the first slot are covered by the vapor chamber. The second M2 slot and both SODIMM 6400 DDR5 RAM slots are exposed and easy to access for upgrades. Before touching the SSD or RAM, we need to disconnect the battery. Don't forget to visit and see our top 100 laptops with the best battery life ranking page. Here's the last battery screw. After you take out all of them, gently unplug the battery connector from the motherboard. Now the system is safe for upgrades. we lift the shield over SSD slot 2. Ours is empty, so you can add a PCI Express 4N NVMe.2 drive here. Slot 1 sits under the vapor chamber with the VRM power parts, so replacing it is trickier. Here is the memory. The OMEN MAX 16 uses 2 regular SO-DIMM slots in dual channel. Nothing is soldered. HP ships configs with DDR 56400 or 56000 speeds. Both memory slots are covered by thermal pads to help cooling. While we're showing the RAM swap, here's a critical note. The vapor chamber sits on the CPU, the GPU, SSD slot 1, and the VRM power stages. HP uses 2 thermal materials there. Gray OMEN cryo compound on the processor and GPU dies, and a white OMEN cryo phase change sheet on the VRM and power regulators. If you lift that chamber to reach SSD slot 1, you must reinstall both materials in the same places before you close the laptop, or you risk overheating. For full benchmark results, thermals, battery life, display quality, and build impressions, check laptopmedia.com, link in the description. Thanks for watching, and please like, comment, and subscribe.